Today we're going to make a twist on one of my favorite Caribbean snacks, which is also a popular Mexican food, mango with tahini. But instead of fresh mangoes, we're going to make a creamy, smooth mango sorbet. And instead of tahini, we're going to use my favorite goes on everything product, Spanish Town Kitchen's Caribbean jerk sea salt. Due to its spicy, salty, sour with a hint of coconutty flavor, this product will just add more fun to this sultry sorbet. Let's get started. Begin by slicing up some fresh mangoes. I'm using ripe red mangoes for this recipe. Next, cook the mango slices in some water to soften them up and release some of their sugar. Once the mangoes are cooked down, transfer them into a blender to create a smooth puree. After that, return some of the puree to a pot and add sweetness by mixing in sugar and light corn syrup. Heat the mixture over medium heat, stirring until the sugar is completely dissolved. Next, return the mixture back to the blender and add in some vodka and lemon or lime juice, whichever you prefer. Blend just enough to combine the ingredients. Allow mixture to completely cool and then pour it into the ice cream maker. Churn the mixture until it transforms into a fluffy ribbon-like ice slush. Pour the churned mixture into a pan and allow it to freeze for an hour, or even better, overnight. Once the sorbet is frozen, scoop it into a serving bowl and top it off with a dash of Spanish Town Kitchen's Caribbean jerk sea salt. And there you have it, a delicious twist on a classic mango with tahini. Remember to give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. You can also shop our amazing product at SpanishTownKitchen.com, where you can also find this recipe and much more. Thanks for watching. Bye!